Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Umay's Table. I'm here with a very quick and easy recipe for these beautiful choco-filled cupcakes, for which you will need the following ingredients: 75 grams of cocoa powder, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 300 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of plain flour, 250 ml of milk, 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Also 24 paper liners, 2 piping bags and any of your favorite chocolates. Begin with sifting all dry ingredients, that is the plain flour, followed by cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder and salt. Mix them together and set aside. Now in a mixing bowl, begin with beating the unsalted butter and caster sugar until nice and creamy. Now add the eggs one at a time and beat this on medium speed until the mixture is nice and smooth. Now pour in the vanilla essence and give it a good stir. Time to add the dry ingredients, alternating with some milk and beating this on medium speed until well combined. Make sure you preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and while the oven preheats, it's time you chop all of your favorite chocolates. In a baking tray, line all the paper cups. I fill a piping bag with the cupcake batter and I pipe in only 1/4 of the cups with this batter. So now I drop in a piece of chocolate into each cup. Top this with some more cupcake batter. Make sure you fill only 3/4 of these with the batter. Once you are done, bake these at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes or until your skewer comes out clean. Now for the vanilla frosting you will need 3 cups of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/3 cup of butter and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. In a mixing bowl, add all the ingredients and beat this at high speed for 3 to 4 minutes. So once the frosting is ready, fill in a piping bag and set aside. Top the cupcakes with this beautiful frosting. Top each of these cupcakes with any of your favorite chocolates. And there you go. A very quick and easy recipe for these delicious choco-filled cupcakes topped with vanilla frosting, well served for you guys only at Umay's Table. Do like, share and subscribe to Umay's Table. Thank you for watching. Jazakallah khair.